equation into a ratio. This is very difficult. Actually, it's not difficult, but it takes a lot of time. But you can do it within a blink of an eye. So, for example, 4D is equal to 3N. Example. One converts one into a ratio. One do it the longer way, then I tell you the shortcut. Is it fine? So, first of all, want to make letters on the side, then numbers on the what?
On the side.
So let's remove the n this side. And what do you do? Divide by n both sides. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Then my n will check now. So that's 4D over n is equal to what? Is equal to 3. Then I also want to remove the 4 this side. And then 4D over n divided by what? Divided by 4, divided by 4. These 4s will cancel out. All together.
Yeah.
So now d over n is equal to 3 over 4. All together. Plot here, d s to n is equal to 3s to 4. Right. So in general, for the same example, 4d s to 3n. Kuna bana bani? Kuna d wangu? D 3n. Ku n. Asipana bani? 4d ya nani? Ana 4. N nani? Na 3. Unongo shinjanisi. You just exchange in general. So say we kai aniti. So ningaje hapa in general is equal to 3sg is what d s to n is equal to d number g 3 for n over g 4 in general. So ndakati gazela ndekati ndakachifunga ndega another source of this information. Then the second type of equation, they good. Was still converting an equation into a ratio. Mshaona kusema yemu kusema bali iye kusema yeye. Express one is a ratio. To cover general arithmetic and all together. Right? Now AB is equal to 4 BC is I'm want to make a ratio there. In a similar way. We can do it the longer way, then we summarize in general. So I can say, I can bring the letters on the side. Verb said by what? By BC. So AB is equal to 4 BC, verb by 4, so by BC. Both what?
Sides.
Both sides. So this BC will cancel out. So that AB over BC is equal to 4 over 1. Are we together?
Yes.
Then we now make the ratio AB s to BC is equal to 4 s to 1. If you see here, BC in a one, don't want either. So in general, AB is equal to 4BC is equivalent to AB s to BC is equal to, then AB will take
1.
What do you know? It will take 4. AB will take 4. Because BC will take 1. So there is not here, there is exchange of coefficients. Exchange of coefficients. That's about. This is how you convert an equation into a ratio. One I want to present it. So these are the only ratios which we are going to find out in our vectors, particularly this one. Is it fine? They can say, given that OA is 3AB. You want to make a ratio here. So that's what is happening? Okay, just straight away, what do you do? In one can do. So it means introducing so OA S to AB is going to be OA introducing 3, OAB introducing 1. Sounds better. The fundamental ratio. This is the most difficult because people are not able to convert. If they manage, they take long. They solve an equation and they come out with a ratio, which is very, very difficult for most of the students. Doing the go? Yes. Right. So let's look at an example here so that it would make sense. Example. I will just put it for sake of simplicity. I will just put one letter, right? Given that, OA is equal to vector A, OC, no problem, is equal to B. AB is parallel to OC such that OC is 3 times AB. AB OB is 4 XB. And AC is equal to AC S to AX is equal to 4S to Y. My aim here is to make ratios altogether without proving their authenticity. Is it fine? Do they balance up? Right. Find item 1 AB. Item 2 find the OX. Or 4B. Item 3 OX. Item 4 AC. Item 5 XC. Those are the questions. That the question you want to do. It has to be very, very difficult. Once they done the ratios, the vector appear. Let's go. I do an example. No, I'm not stuck out in D. Right, let me remove this part. Right, and the normal. Given that vector OA is given as A, vector A, OC is given as vector B. AB is parallel to OC. AB is parallel to what? To OC. Such that OC is 3 times as big as what? AB. Okay. OB is 4XB. And AX S to AC S to AX is in the ratio of 4:1. Find these vectors. Shape your shape is here. It's trapezium. And it, why? Because one, in a four sides, it's a quadrilateral. Two is that G are parallel. Side trapezium and it. But as much as it was only G, no problem. As I was only G, in the trapezium. Because trapezium is a quadrilateral with only two parallel sides. And it. Right. Before the answer did, I think tamani mai nema our ratios and it. Ukipita mzamaka ukona upatana na bana badidi. Try to work out these ratios and it. Would simplify first. Don't go. So which means now OC is equal to 3AB. On C, maparo G lines. Is already final. Whatever. If I want AB, what do I do here? If I want AB, you know, say, I can say 3AB is equal to OC. I want AB divided by G, by 3 both G
Sides.
by 3 both sides. And therefore AB is equal to what? 1 over 3 OC. So I find it. Put OC over 3. No, 1 over 3 multiplied by OC. Choose 1. You look at the ratio of T. Can I foot each? Now, I'm a problem. We don't do these things. Now, apology lines. Just do like this. This applies for national problem. And problem lines, we do this way. Let's go. Right. Then, I never ratio HP. OB is equal to 4XB. OB is equal to 4XB. It's similar to we have to apply these ratios now. Look, I wash, guys. That is what it is. That is this is what we can do. OB upper S to G XB. And this OB S to XB is equal to OB na wana bani. You try G 4. Co XB you try G 1. And this first part. OB nani na XB. Crowded from O to B. There are 4 parts. And there are 4 G. As if from X to B, G 1 part. And yes, in the 4 parts, as in the 1 part, compart in the G. In the 3 G parts. Let's go. From O to B, 4 parts. Then X B in the 1 part, OX in the 3 parts. Now we can come up with the new ratios here. If I want to find now, I can say OX and S to XB. And OX S to XB is 3S to G to 1. Come out with the G with the new ratio. You know the improper ratio. And it's improper G ratio. You make wall line. Make part of the make a ratio. Yeah, wall line. Part of the line. Shall make a ratio. You know the improper G ratio. But you can see it. Second, now you have a proper ratio. This is now the ratio which can be used to. I can spell over here. People that use this one, I shan't make a proper G ratio. Could now say, now line OX and OX occupies 3 parts. Do you agree? Out of the G, how many parts? The whole line. 4 G parts of the whole line G or B. Do you agree? Let's go over. Also, XB occupies 1 part out of the whole G, line G or B. And this. Let's go over. Let's go over. Right. Go first ratio, guy. And then second and the ratio. This is our first ratio, our second ratio, and the third ratio. AC S2 AX is equal to 4S1. One more than AC SG AX. You want to get this smaller than this. But now the G adjustment. And it adjusts the ratio. So What wrong in it? So what about this way or this way? What about this one? It's up first. What's it a suggestion? So look now here. AC in a G, in a 4G, what's the it? Then AX in a G, one part, 3 1 by 3 parts. And G, AC, so AX, S to G, XC is in the form of G, ratio of what? 1 S to G to 3. Usual. Therefore, this means X now is equal to X in a G in a 1 part. How many are parts altogether? There are 4. Out of the 4 parts of the line AC. And also, XC occupies 3 parts of the 4 parts of the whole line what? Of what? AC. How's it go? Right. Then from there, 20 my answer is let's now. Item 1. Find the vector AB. Vector AB. AB. There's no way to get out this way. This way. We're going to use the G, the given equation or ratio in form of this equation. So OC is equal to 3AB. What about the AB? You know what we're going to do? So what is AB? It's 1 over 3 of OC. And so now 1 over 3. Do you have OC? OC means the B. OC. The vector B. The B. This is our answer. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Item 2. The space. Item 2. OB. Now OB is a Tavana AB. OB from O to B. From O to B. From O to B. How can I go from O to B? The part of O I want to go to B. I can go via G, A, then from A to G to B. So I will say from whenever O I need. Whenever O matter what from O in I will go to A first. Then we put it from A I do go to G to B. From O to A, then from A to B. In language then from O to A take up G positive A goes to follow G. Direction line A I want plus AB. G AB to make it. 1/3 B. 1/3 vector B. So this becomes our answer for B. Let's go. And OX. Now I put tamper must carry. With OX from O to X, 1 to G, 3, 1 is second is 3 over 4 of the whole line of OB. This one. It's now 3 over 4 of OB. So do we have OB now? Look at the challenge. Do you have OB? Look at the way can it open bracket. What is vector A plus 1 over 3 vector B? Kuma vector is answer whatever I'm sorry. Kisha uzasi. Don't pakai pila vector is. We don't know with the A. They can say no. They can say what is meant. Error can be forward. If you get something wrong here, if you use it correctly in the next steps, you may get some marks, part marks. Altogether, we're going to find out the answer. We don't know how they have to agree on a certain marking guide. They don't just declare we're going to face everything. They may say we're going to part A. If you use part A, part B, if you use part following the next question, you may get all the marks. All that G marking answer. So I can only guarantee it. Right, I say, Manuel. Right. Now we expand the brackets. Multiply everything by G 3 over 4. Please, numerator. Don't us close cancel valid. No second mode. 3 times 1, apana 1 valid. Is 3 over 4. I need you. Vector A plus 3 times 1, Jani, is 3. 4 times 3, Jani, each go valid. When I saw that someone was 2 over 2 valid. By 1 valid, by 3 over 1, by 3 over 4, 1 over G, 4. Reduce. You look up vector B. In one part to an no calculator. No matter 3 over 4 by G, 1 over 3. You then reduced. Altogether. Right. And by G, per AC, item 4, vector AC, AC, from A to C. From A to C, A to C, from A to C. How can I go from? Can I go from A? I go to B, yeah, but I'm not B C much. That's a problem. Something I cannot go this way because upon BC, this BC is missing. So I'll choose this route. So I will say from A I will go to O. Then from O I go to C. Then let us try to substitute A to O. We are now opposing the arrow. You have negative G vector. Negative A O. Plus OC. That is using the correct given G direction. Then what is AO? A and D. Negative A and D. Then plus OC equal to B. That is our AC. Now, last part, item 5. XC. XC now, how do you calculate XC? XC. Okay. Now, XC. But take up for AC. What we given about AC, AX, XC. What we talking about X and XC. Because XC, energy, 3 parts of the G, the 4 parts. So, in a G, 3 out of 4 of the whole line of G of AC. And I believe our AC is found already in our previous answer, which is now negative A plus B. Altogether. Then multiply in 3 over 4. In a G, negative 3 over 4 A, positive G, 3 over 4 B. Then as now we can rearrange. Try to change the positive vanity. G negative. As now mark, even a vanity, you can do like this. Whatever B, vector B minus vector A. As now G mark. Most of them don't waste time. They are rearrange. That's secondly. So, guys, that's the question. Go through it. Replay the video. If anything, call me, text me, WhatsApp me. Comment on the comment section. My number is 0773 493 089. Please like, share, subscribe. Share the link and also share the video with your friends and families in all the groups so that people can subscribe. Want to reach 1K in a few days. Altogether. Thank you very much. Thank you.